probably the easiest modification for your Jaguar or Land Rover. Swallows Racing have developed a range of direct replacements with the leading manufacturer Pipercross. This is the first step to help your vehicle breathe more freely. Foam filters take the idea of having larger holes and using oil to catch dirt particles as a cotton filter would, but by using a different format. The multi-laminate foam uses layers of different specifications of foam, each layer catching different sized particles whilst allowing the air to flow freely, stopping the loss of performance over time that the OEM filters suffer from. This means that from a service to service, the filter retains full breathing potential and isn't slowed down by the build-up of dirt. With this increase in flow for a longer period of time and a simplicity of swapping, we recommend it as a great first DIY modification, or why not add it to your service. As a bonus, these filters are lifetime filters and simply require cleaning every 20,000 miles or every yearly service, whatever comes first. Head over to the Swallows Racing website, the link's below to order yours today.